Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem many Windows 11 users face: fixing a microphone that's not working. Whether you're using a built-in mic, an external USB mic, or a headset, these steps should help you get your microphone working again. Let's get started. First things first, let's make sure the basics are covered. Check if your microphone is properly connected to your computer. If you're using an external mic, make sure the cable is securely plugged into the correct port. For USB microphones, ensure the USB connection is firm. If you're using a wireless mic, check the battery and the connection between the mic and its receiver. Next, let's dive into the settings. Right-click on the Start button and head over to the settings. Then select System and go to Sound. Here you'll see an input section. Make sure your microphone is selected as the input device. Here in the input section, check it. If it's not listed, try reconnecting your mic. Windows 11 has privacy settings that might block your microphone from working. Go back to Settings and this time go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and select On Microphone. Make sure the switch on the microphone access is toggled on. Also ensure that the apps you want to use the microphone with have permission to access it. If your microphone is still not working, it's time to use the built-in troubleshooter. Go to Settings, then again on System and select Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters and find the audio and hit on Run. And follow the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix most microphone issues on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.